Hello guys, welcome to my second adventure in the village of Olofsbo Falkenberg, Sweden. Before I forget, my name is Emilyn, and today let me show you the beautiful view with an amazing sunset on the beach of this amazing village. I hope you will enjoy watching it. Please follow me guys. But before we jump in there, let me tell you brief information about this amazing place. Olasbo is an urban area before 2018, and it's a small village in the municipality of Falkenberg, Sweden, mainly located in Stafsinge district, Stafsinge Forest, with a small part in Morof district, Morof Forest. A village is located about 6 kilometers north of Falkenberg. Olasbo is the old Holland's farm Stappens, which is now Olofsbo Homestead. By the sea, our cottage area has been built on the village pastures since the 1950s. This settlement is a small town. The buildings in this area mainly consist of holiday homes, but recently the numbers of permanent residents have increased sharply. This village has a cottage area. There are 2 campsites called Caravan and Olofsbo campsite, and a grocery store called Tempo. Olasbo has a long sandy beach. North of this is the nature reserve of Morof's Pliers, and it has a chicken slaughterhouse and a window manufacturer and a car assembly right by the beach. And you will also can find a glitter yard that was built in 1947, and that was at the same time a popular dance venue. The first batting cabins began to be built as early as the mid-1930s. And now let us watch the beautiful and amazing sunset. I hope you enjoy guys. And that is all for today guys. And if you are interested to see and to know about more places here in Olofsbo Falkenberg or more places here in the country of Sweden, please follow me so I can continue my journey and I can show more beautiful and spectacular places in Sweden. I hope we meet again guys, and I can tell you more about a short piece of information that I'm going to visit next time. Thank you so much.